Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now we will continue speaking about the fertilizations, types of fertilization, or how these fertilizations occur. This is picture of pollen grain by transfer pollen grain by self-pollination or cross-pollination. By the end of this pollination, any pollen grain stick to stick. By stick on stigma, stick on stigma. Why? I'll give reason. Because the stigma secrete sugary solution or sugary juice to feed this pollen grain. After that pollen grain, we can see here starting of tube. It's a pollen grain tube. This tube continue expand until reach to this part. This part is called ovules. يعني the big swallowing, it's ovary, but inside it's a dark part inside the ovary, and the shape, this shape like egg. It's egg. It's called, all of them is called ovules. يعني dark, it's dark green, and egg inside it, it's called ovules. Ovules inside this ovary. This tube extend until reach to this ovule and pass from this point, like this picture, pass from this point of this opening. This opening is called microbial. طيب by containing or by forming this tube, the nucleus inside the pollen grain divide to form two types of nucleus. Tube nucleus, it's responsible for forming a tube and extension of tube, and another two male nuclei, this for forming zygote. So one of them هي tube nucleus, it's not found after time, but two nuclei, it's transfer from this tube to egg. Here you can see this two nuclei transfer inside this egg. One of them connect or make fusion with egg. It's one cell. This is 8 cells. Three it's 6, and 2 it's 8. 8 cells inside this egg, or inside this ovule. One of them in this place is called contact or fuse with this nuclei, a male nuclei, to form a zygote, and another nuclei contact with another cells اساميها مش عليكي to form feeding for zygote. يعني انا دلوقتي عندي هنا في two nuclei دول two male nuclei. One of them contact with egg to form a zygote, another one contact with another cell to form food for feeding the zygote or baby. Okay, طيب watch with me this video. Excuse me, in this video all of them it's ovary, but this ovary have many seeds or has many ovules. So each one of them it's ovule, and its ovule inside it carry the egg and need one pollen grain for make fertilization. Okay. This is two male nuclei, and here two male nuclei. One of them react with egg to form zygote, and another for feeding. But this nuclei finished or ended by reach this tube to ovule. This place for passing this nuclei is called microbial. This point is called microbial. This opening is called microbial. Here, what happens? One of them transfer or fuse, make fusion with this cell, this egg, to form zygote, and another fuse or contact with another cells inside this ovule to form feeding for zygote. This egg transfer or make many divisions to transfer for zygote. You can watch with me. And after fertilization, this is changing for zygote, and this zygote produce a seed, and the muscle for ovary changing to fruit. It's a zygote, and this is tissue or ovary changing for fruit, and the seeds it's come from zygote. Okay, here when ovary contain one seed, this means one ovule, so it's produce one seed. يبقى ovary contain one ovule, so it produce one seed. This is tissue for ovary become or changing or converted to fruits, and zygote changing to seed. Here in this picture, it's many seeds. This means many ovules inside the ovary. So ovary changing to fruits, and ovules changing to seeds. Inshallah, next session will speak about vegetative reproduction, implant, and different methods. See you and goodbye.